Thank you, and I now give the floor to the Next Century Foundation.
The Next Century Foundation would like to encourage the Kingdom of Bahrain to expand its pursuit of gender justice by addressing key problematic articles in its penal code. Specifically, Article 353, which allows perpetrators of sexual violence to escape prosecution if they marry their victims, and Article 321, which has no provisions for women to have an abortion if they are raped, unless their life is medically in danger. We note Article 3 and Article 29 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which stipulate that we all have the right to live in freedom and safety with the protection of human rights to allow everyone to enjoy mutual respect. Allowing perpetrators of sexual violence to escape prosecution if they marry their victims provides protection for sexual assailants. By legally tying victims of sexual violence to their attackers, the law authorizes the prolonged suffering of victims. Furthermore, by not permitting women to have an abortion in the circumstance of rape, the government is forcing women to deliver children they may not be able to provide or care for. These articles do not seem to be consistent with the progress women's rights is making in other areas in Bahrain, such as higher education and workforce contribution. NCF would like to applaud the work of the Supreme Council of Women in the development of the national strategies to protect women from domestic violence and the Women's Support Center app to aid women's knowledge of their rights. These steps are a massive contribution and demonstrate that the government is working towards a future where women are equal. Bahrain has ensured that providing equal rights to both genders is an important part of their current agenda, and the Next Century Foundation believes that repealing Article 353 and Article 321 is a crucial step. Thank you.
Thank you, and I now give the floor to Réseau International des Droits Humains.